Getting started.
1. Listen and read.
Hi, Hugh. I called you yesterday afternoon, but you didn't answer.
Oh, really? What time?
At about 2 p.m. What were you doing then?
Oh, when you called, I was working. I volunteer every Tuesday afternoon at the Happy Mind Charity Centre. I teach children.
Really? Why?
Because these children are disadvantaged. They have many problems and they need our help.
What subjects do you teach them?
Vietnamese and maths.
It sounds interesting. How did you get the job?
Just by chance. I was interested in doing volunteer work, so when I saw the advertisement for volunteer positions in the newspaper last summer, I applied and was chosen.
Oh, I see. Was the job easy at first?
Not really. When I worked with them for the first time, many of them couldn't read or write. Some of them were hopeless at maths.
What did you do then?
I got some useful advice from my teacher. It was really helpful. All of the children can read and write now.
Your job is very meaningful. I also want to do something useful for our society.
Well, if you are interested in this kind of work, I will introduce you to my team leader.
That sounds great. Thanks for your suggestion. I'm very excited.